Zhao Yuanyuan. I have worked at DIFFUL company for 7 years. I think the core of DIFFUL lies in the innovation ability of products and the control of high process requirements. Customers spend time selling our products, so I will treat each product attentively to win customers' recognition. In order to improve the product standard of the water pump, my daily work is to control the quality of each component produced. The promotion of the morning meeting, including the first inspection, process inspection, and final inspection, is indispensable. I think the high precision and strength of the accessories determine whether a pump is good or bad. The motor is the heart of the pump. The coil processing, motor assembly, and product size control should ensure accuracy and consistency. And this process requires me to repeatedly check, test, and record. I believe that strict work is the guarantee of quality. The controller provides multiple protection for the water pump while providing high-speed operation, so as to ensure the stable and lasting intelligent work of the water pump. Product is the foundation, technology is the road, and good design and production process are the core of good products, and good quality control can play its 100% role after completing product marking, package, inspection, and delivery. My work is over. But DIFFUL's work has just begun. Energy comes from sunlight, water comes from nature, and service for life. The DIFFUL pump has never ignored where you can't see.